Here we go then on flight school.
Oh, yes, learning how to fly, essentially.
A bit cosy in here. Well, yeah, we're on a plane and we're gonna set off now.
Oh,
Here we go.
down.
Well, hey! Soaring through alright. Hey! Nice little junior coaster really, and the best thing about junior coasters as well is you get about 2 circuits sometimes.
Sometimes, but I don't know about this one.
Hopefully we do. And here we go.
Alright, here we
Second lap. Get a view from that end. Here we go. Hey, there's a rotator. A bit of flight school for you.
Oh, lovely. We've got our licenses now, so we can be pilots.